Spoiler alert is UK universities are dominating the global charts this year. 3 in the top 5 worldwide. If you're into STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, or medicine, this is your dream campus. You can study pretty much everything here, from law and architecture to neuroscience and political science as well. Let's say you're planning to study in the UK. First question that pops up is, which university should you choose? Not your cousin's opinion, alright? Not some random Reddit post, but something real, something global, something trusted. That's where the QS University rankings come in, and in this video, we are diving into the top UK universities as per the 2025 QS rankings. And the spoiler alert is UK universities are dominating the global charts this year. 3 in the top 5 worldwide. But this video isn't just a list. It's a student's guide, so I'll break down what these rankings actually mean, why these universities matter, and what it's really like to study there. Hi, I'm Shatakshi and you're watching Acadfly's YouTube channel. Now let me tell you what are QS World Rankings. So first, what even is the QS ranking? Every year, QS evaluates thousands of universities across the world using 6 main factors. Number 1 is academic reputation, what scholars think of it. Second is employer reputation, how valuable the degree is in the job market. Third factor, student-faculty ratio, more professors equals to better attention. Fourth factor is research impact, citations per faculty, are professors doing work that matters? Fifth factor is international students and faculty ratio, how globally connected and diverse the campus is. Sixth factor is sustainability score, a new edition that looks at environmental responsibility. So what does that mean for you? It means that if a university is high on this list, it's not just famous, it's trusted, respected, and delivers outcomes that actually matters. Now, let's look at the top 5 UK universities in the 2025 QS rankings and what you as a student should know about each one. Number 1 is Imperial College London, globally ranked 2nd. Coming in at number 2 in the world, yes, world is Imperial College London. If you're into STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, or medicine, this is your dream campus. Located in South Kensington, Imperial is right in the heart of London's innovation district. Imperial is research heavy, career focused, and super hands-on. Now talking about the students' view, you'll be challenged here. Classes are intense, projects are high level, but the payoff is big. Internships, global research access, and insane industry connections. And the fun fact is, Imperial students have their own Formula 1 racing team. They build race cars from scratch, and seriously. On number 2 is University of Oxford, globally ranked 3rd. At number 3 globally, Oxford continues to set the gold standard for education. Founded in the 11th century, it's the oldest English-speaking university in the world and probably the most well-known because everybody knows it. And here's what you will find: a unique tutorial-based system, some of the world's leading minds as your professors, and a track record of producing world leaders, scientists, writers, and Nobel laureates. And the students' take, yes, it's competitive, but Oxford offers tons of support, academic, emotional, financial, everything. If you like learning in small groups, thinking independently, and being pushed to your limits, this is where you should go. And the fun fact is that 28 UK Prime Ministers studied here. And yes, Harry Potter's Hogwarts scenes was inspired by Oxford's architecture. On number 3 is University of Cambridge, which is globally ranked 5th. Ranked 5th in the world, Cambridge blends tradition and innovation like no one. From mathematics and physics to philosophy and engineering, Cambridge is home to groundbreaking discoveries. And here's the kicker: Cambridge's collegiate system gives you a tight-knit academic family inside a big university. So even with thousands of students, you'll never feel lost. You'll have the personal tutors, regular one-on-one sessions, and more than enough academic pressure to keep you up at the night. But if you want to grow, this is the place. And the fun fact is that Cambridge has produced 121 Nobel Prize winners, more than most of the countries. Now, on number 4 is University College London, which is globally ranked 9th. This university is all about openness, progress, and global perspective. You can study pretty much everything here, from law and architecture to neuroscience and political science as well. It's located in central London, which means unbeatable exposure, but also high living costs. Now, if you see from a student's lens, UCL is modern, dynamic, and deeply connected to international issues and research. You'll study alongside people from all over the world and get to take part in research even as an undergrad. And the fun fact is that USL was the first university in the England to admit women on equal terms with men. That's the kind of progressiveness it stands for. Now, on number 5 is the University of Edinburgh. Yes, we are talking about the University of Edinburgh. At 15th globally, Edinburgh gives you the world-class education in a city that's as beautiful as it is historic. Academically, it is strong in informatics and AI, medicine, arts and humanities, business and law, and it's also one of the most affordable student cities compared to London, and it offers a very vibrant student life. From your point of view, if I'll talk about, you'll get the benefits of a top university without the intensity of Oxbridge. There's a flexibility, diversity, and a very international student community. Now, the fun fact is that Charles Darwin studied here. Enough said, I guess. Now, how should you use this info? Let me tell you. So yes, these universities are at the top of the charts, but here's what matters even more. Does the university offer the course you want? What's the cost of the living in that city? Are these scholarships, support services, and a culture where you will thrive? See, rankings are a guide, not a guarantee. What really matters is that how well the university matches your goals, learning style, and the future plans that you have, because obviously everybody has different future plans. Now, if you're planning to apply to any of these universities and confused between two of them, or just want help figuring out where you will start, drop your questions in the comment and we are there for your help always. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, because I'll be diving deep into admissions, scholarships and the UK student life in my upcoming videos. Until then, good luck and go chase that dream. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.